Welcome to this video on importing data. Financial data can be of various types. A fundamental analyst will look at the company's reports to analyze data such as earnings, revenue, etc. A quantitative analyst, on the other hand, looks at the OHLCV data. OHLCV data means the open, high, low, close prices, as well as volume of a stock. For example, Google's OHLCV data on 30 March 2021 is shown on screen. Usually, the financial data that is pulled from various data sources is stored as dataframes. Online sources to import OHLCV data include Quandl, i.e. Finance, and Yahoo Finance. For Indian stocks data, you can use NSE-Pi. Now let us understand the code that can be used to import data from Yahoo Finance. In the first line, we import the library, pandas. Next, we have imported Y Finance package. The first 5 lines of the dataframe df is printed using the head function. Another way to work with financial data is to read a CSV file and save it as a dataframe. Use pandas.read CSV function and input the CSV final path to it as done here. The first 5 rows of the dataframe Tesla is printed using the head function.